Hi everyone, with me today I have these awesome rechargeable work lights that even come with their own cables, and they have so many different features that I am super excited to share with you guys. So first of all, the bottom is magnetic, so you can attach that to anything that's metallic and has a strong enough hold. You're also going to see in the middle that you have the little tripod screw, so you can go ahead and do that if you would like. But my favorite thing is that there's a built-in little hook. You don't even have to add it. It's already into the light, and all you gotta do is pull this up and you can go ahead and hang your light from anywhere. Absolutely adore this, and you can tuck that back in whenever you're not using it. This light is also super easy to turn and move around as you wish to get the best angle you could possibly get. But now let's talk about how truly strong this light is. Here we have the front view of the light and the back where all the controls are, and if you check up the top, you're going to see that that is where you're going to connect your charger whenever it runs out of battery, and it has a little silicone sleeve to cover that up, which I think is such a nice touch. Now you're only going to get two buttons, and it's super easy to operate. So you turn on the light by just clicking the on button, and as you can see, it's already going to tell you how much charge it has. Right now it says that my light is at 50%. You're also going to have a button to change and increase or decrease the brightness. Now, every time you touch the on button, it's going to go to the next color. So you have the most yellowish color, a more bluish, again more bluish, and then lastly we have the red and ultraviolet lights. Now, the red and ultraviolet come from this little part down here instead of the main light, so just be sure that whenever you're using red or ultraviolet, you see the light coming from the bottom part. I absolutely love these and think these are absolutely great for any occasion, whether you have a dark place like me that you have to light up with a nice and strong light that can be recharged whenever needed, or you just work in a dark place and you need something that can attach magnetically, maybe to a tripod, hang anywhere. These lights are awesome and super powerful, and I definitely recommend getting the set of two because you never know when you're going to need it.